To link a Vanilla gift card to Venmo, start by opening the Venmo app and clicking on the profile icon at the bottom of the screen. This will open your profile page, where you'll need to click on the gear icon or settings icon at the top of the screen. This will take you to your settings page, where you should tap on the Payment Methods option. On this page, you'll see a list of your linked banks and debit cards. To add a new payment method, tap on Add a Bank or Card. You'll then be taken to a new page or window with several options, where you'll need to select the Card option. This will take you to a screen where you can enter your Vanilla gift card details, including the card number, expiration date, security code, and zip code. Once you've entered this information, simply click the Add button. Your Vanilla gift card will then be linked to your Venmo account. The process is quick and easy, and once completed, you'll have successfully linked your Vanilla gift card to Venmo.